My undergraduate degree was in public policy, and I had always wanted to go into fashion and business, but I didn't really have the background for it. So in my first job, I started taking night classes at FIT, and I learned about fashion production, and from there I started a role as a supply chain coordinator in a luxury company. And I realized while I was there that I didn't have all the skills I needed to move ahead in the industry, so I decided to go for my master's at Rutgers. I was looking for a school and a program that had a lot of opportunities, that was really diverse, that had a very global scope, and that would prepare me not only for the fashion industry, but any area in business. So Rutgers is one of the best in the country, so I was really excited that they had a program specific for retail. I did a consulting class where I got to consult for a small company. I have an interest in wanting to work with clients. One day I want to help consult for retail companies, so what I really appreciate about the retail consulting classes, I got experience doing that. And I have it on my resume that I was consulting as a graduate student, which is really, really awesome. And the other classes I enjoyed because they're all about how to best do your business, but also be advanced in retail in the 21st century, which is constantly changing. I am making more money than I did before I got my master's, and it's a company that promises a lot of growth, both professionally and financially. So I definitely was able to achieve that because of my program. Yes, it's been a really wonderful return on my investment. Everyone's shocked that I literally start my first day of work exactly a month from the date I walked my graduation. My name is Sydney Winnick, and I am a proud alumna of the Rutgers Business School.